How you can eat best to lose weight on the raw food diet. There are a number of ways to approach the eating raw diet. Which foods are the best for you to eat if you want to lose weight? The raw food diet consists of any food with temperatures that did not exceed 118 degrees Fahrenheit. Many people go a step further by classifying it as any food that's not been cooked or processed in any way, that it does not contain meat, dairy, or fish. The truth is that raw fish and raw meat are consumed. Look at the Japanese culture. If you do eat raw meats, do not consume raw chicken or pork because these contain the salmonella bacteria that can lead to food poisoning. There's also a minute chance of getting salmonella from consuming raw eggs. It's not uncommon for people to consume raw dairy products too. What raw foods are the best for you in losing weight? It's any raw food that's got a load of nutrition. Dr. Furman created a new system to measure nutrition in food known as the Nutrarian diet. The best foods you could have in your diet are brightly colored vegetables and fruits. Therefore, increase your raw food consumption of foods that match these colorations to help you lose weight and get the nutrition you need. What foods are in the raw food diet? Your mind may think that all you can eat is raw fruits and vegetables, but there are many other foods you can consume, such as sprouted grains, juice, seeds, and nuts. You can even use soy sauce, raw nut butters, miso, and cold-pressed oils like olive oil. Raw food is not just cold food. You can consume heated food, but not anything heated to more than 118 degrees Fahrenheit. What choices do you have to going raw? When you choose the raw food diet for your diet for health and weight maintenance, you want foods that have a high fat calorie content but keep you satisfied longer and gives you higher energy levels. These foods are noted in the seeds and nuts. You also want bananas and avocados in this diet. If your goal is to lose weight without going too far into the raw food diet, you need to stick with the fresh vegetables and fruits. This gives the body the nutrition it needs without the excess calories. Your diet should be 50% raw with each meal and not so much fatty or processed foods. When you boost how much fresh fruit and vegetables you consume, you increase your chances of weight loss success.